Magic of quantifiers for countable nouns. Making sense of many and few. Hello, language learners. Welcome to a new exciting video in our series on mastering the English language. Today, we're going to explore an interesting topic: quantifiers for countable nouns. Understanding how these quantifiers work will give you the power to express the amount or number of things in a clear and precise way. So, let's get started. Before diving into quantifiers, it's important to understand what countable nouns are. Countable nouns are individual objects, people, places, etc., that we can count. They can be singular or plural. For example, apple, book, person, city are all countable nouns. You can have 1 apple, 2 books, 3 people, 4 cities, and so on. Now that we know what countable nouns are, let's understand what quantifiers are. Quantifiers are words or phrases we use before a noun to express the quantity. They help us to give more information about the number of nouns or the amount of something. When dealing with countable nouns, there are certain quantifiers we often use. They include 1. Many. Used in negative statements and questions, as well as after. So, as, or 2. For example, there are too many books on this shelf. 2. Few means not many. It can also suggest that the amount is less than desired. For example, I have a few friends in the city. 3. A few means some. It suggests that the amount is not a lot but enough. For example, I have a few minutes to talk. 4. Several means more than a few but not a lot. For example, there are several solutions to this problem. 5. A number of, the number of, used to show the quantity of something. A number of is more indefinite, while the number of is used for specific quantities. For example, a number of people have arrived, or the number of students in the class is 15. To truly master these quantifiers, you need to practice them in context. Write your own sentences using each of these quantifiers, or try to spot them in the books you read or the shows you watch. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use quantifiers with countable nouns in English. Remember, it's all about expressing quantity in a way that best suits your meaning. Practice using these quantifiers, and before you know it, they'll become a natural part of your English speaking and writing. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.